What's up everybody, Caleb here. Real quick video today. Autumn and me just got back from doing a weekend trip to visit some friends in Baker City, Oregon. While we were there, we went snowshoeing in Anthony Lakes Resort, which is a ski resort that hasn't quite opened yet. But the views were spectacular, the hike was spectacular, everything was awesome. And the one thing I want to tell you is that each of our snowshoes that we have cost us about $12 through shopgoodwill.com. Basically, you go on there, you find items, you bid on them. If you take something to Goodwill and it's way too nice for them to sell in the store for a cheap price, they put it on their website for bidding, where they know they can get a little bit more money out of it. We have a Goodwill location here in Boise where they have a distribution center for that online website, and therefore rather than paying shipping, if I win a bid, I can just go pick it up for free. And that's how the snowshoes, which I'll show you some footage of right here, were $12 each, and we were able to do that snowshoeing trip and that day of hiking for almost nothing. Anyway, I've got 3 videos coming out about our trip to Mexico here very shortly. I've got 2 out of 3 of them done already. Stay tuned for those. It's snowboarding season out right now, so I can't wait to show you guys some of the views of Idaho, the different resorts we go to, or just the different ski hills we go to. Once again, like and subscribe if you could. I'd really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more, but for now, check this out.